The create polygon command is also found on the CAD tab. Under the line string dropdown, you'll see that is the polygon. And the polygon is basically pretty similar to a polyline and even a boundary, but it's actually as a defined different object. So you give it a name, you can give it a layer, you can even give it a fill color. So that's the difference really with the polygon, is actually going to fill it with a color. So it automatically is going to hatch or fill in that area basically. You can put a transparency color or value on it and control how the borders styled and what the border scale is and what the border color is. Also, you can define whether it's a sharp or soft surface sharpness. You can see extend vertical is there as well. So I'm going to click OK here, and basically it's going to look just like almost like the line string command, and I'm going to be able to pick a point, and you can see that I get the vertical tab, so I can assign an elevation to this. When I'm picking the point here, the reason it's not prompting me for the elevation is because I have this auto advance toggled on. So if I toggle that off and I click here, it's not drawing that line because it's looking for an elevation. So if I just click that back on and hit save, you'll see that it draws that point. You can see it's automatically shading in the polygon as well. So as I draw this polygon, you'll see that it's creating a shaded area within that polygon. It's pretty much just like a line string. So if I go to properties, you'll see it does show up as a polygon and what layer it's on, but it is very much like a line string. So if I do come in and select edit, you're going to see that I'm going to edit it just like any other polygon or any other line string that's in Business Center.